Yes, people, I'm back again with another one. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos. Let's get straight into this. The box is falling apart. Needs no introduction, if we're honest. Simple New Balance box. Got the 9060 or the 9060 in triple white. So I've reviewed the triple black pair, now it's time for triple white. So the sole, we've got the white sole, just plain white with the New Balance. Midsole again plain white. The spoiler on the back, I like to call it the spoiler. That's all clear, like a kind of plastic. Then we've got leather pieces on the uppers, all in white. We've got mesh in white on the uppers as well. Going to the toe box, white mesh. Again, different pieces, so like 5 sections around the toe area. We've got a N for New Balance. I don't think this one's reflective. It just looks like a standard plastic to me, which is kind of different because usually it's reflective, I think. We've got the N that's stitched in on the inside, which is always like that. The absorb, so that's what the sole does, I guess, absorbs. We've got the N stitched in on the leather, and then we've got these new laces. So the lace is like kind of them, you know, stay tight laces or whatever you want to call them. Personally, I hate them, so they will be swapped out for a normal pair of like oval type laces, or you know, something like that. And then on the tongue we got the 9060 in the plastic, and then more leather. So this pair, as we know, for the summer will be 1010. A great alternative to what I normally wear, which is just Air Force Ones or the Air Max 95. Adding this into the lineup, definitely fire. Hopefully they don't get too hot, because I've seen a lot of people complain about heat and how hot they are and how hot they get, and they really don't like that. But yeah, I don't really have too much more to say about these. Just, you know, triple white, you can't really say too much about. They're just a good shoe, clean, classic, can't go wrong with triple white. Let me know what you think of the video, let me know what you think of the content, let me know what you think of the pair. Join the Discord, follow the TikTok, subscribe, tip top, follow the TikTok, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. The on foot will follow in just a few seconds. Take care, my people.